Hi, it's your safeguarding officer Jeff. Today we're talking about bullying. Did you know that one most common place where bullying happens is in school? And if that's the case, do you know one of the very easiest way of understanding that your child is suffering from bullying is by checking their school bags? There's a lot of clues that are hidden within children's school bag. There's a lot of things can alert you, can give you an indication that your child is suffering from bullies, or bullies are causing your child to go through hell. But guess what? Most parents are not bothered. They don't look at their children's school bag. Girls have bras and knickers. You don't know where they're from. You didn't buy them as their parents. You find that your child has got stuff that they are carrying in their bags. They've been forced by another child or a group of children at school to carry things that probably have been stolen from somewhere else. They must carry them, otherwise they will be beaten up or they will be harassed. This will that. So they end up carrying in their school bag. But because you don't look at your child's school bag, you will not notice. Bullying is one issue that has significant detrimental effects on a child's growth and development. And it's about time you as a parent, we as a people, we get to know that it's critical we support our children, we ensure that they do not suffer from bullies. And one way of knowing that is making sure that you go through their school bags. You will be surprised what you will find. Also check their bedroom every often. You will find out things. I'm your safeguarding officer Jeff.